Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a coming soon page on Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. So first thing you need to do, guys, to create a coming soon page, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Now after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on online store, as you can see here. And after, guys, you click on online store, you want to click on preferences, and then you want to scroll down and you want to check this box that says restrict access to visitors with password, and you want to add here a password, and then you want to click on save. Now only people with a password that you have added here will be able to visit or to see your Shopify products or your Shopify theme or whatever you have on your Shopify store. Now that's exactly how you can create a coming soon page, but this is not the best way, because if you just add the password, of course this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to look like. They will just, whenever someone visits your store, they will just see this opening soon, be the first to know when we launch, and then they can enter here their email. But it doesn't really look that good, you know. As you can see, it looks really terrible. As you can see, the background looks very ugly, and also the as you can see, the header and the text looks really bad. So what you guys need to do instead, you want to click on online store here, okay? I'm sorry, you want to click on online store and then scroll up, okay? Click on online store, and here you want to click on customize, okay? Now after, guys, you click on customize, then after that you want to then click on here, it says home page in the top right, and then you want to scroll down and click on password, and this is the page that we need to customize. So you want to click, for example, on the background, and you can select another background because this background really looks really ugly, okay? So you just need to click on explore free images or click on select image if you already have it. Now I'm going to click on explore images, okay, the free images. Now I'm going to search, for example, for shop local women's fashion, for example. I'm going to add this as a background because it looks a little bit better than the default one. Click on select, and as you can see, you can also change this text that says opening soon. You can move it to anywhere you want. You can also change the heading size, make it larger if you want. Also the opening soon, you can change it to something else. Be the first to know when we launch. You can also change this or remove it altogether. And also the email, as you can see, you can change this. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you can change multiple things. You can also add another section, for example, even on the here on the opening soon page, you can add, for example, featured collection or whatever. You can add slideshow, you can add image banner, you can add email sign up, for example. As you can see here, you can also make some changes here. After you are done, click on save. That's exactly, guys, how you can add the password page on Shopify. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and see you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.